What happens when Toyota pushes engineering beyond every limit? The result is the extraordinary Toyota Terra Dominator, a colossal 20-wheeled expedition motorhome built to conquer the world's most unforgiving landscapes. With 10 massive wheels on each side, including 4 front steering wheels and 6 heavy-duty rear wheels, this machine is designed to travel where ordinary vehicles dare not go. Combining military-inspired toughness with 5-star luxury, the Terra Dominator is more than a motorhome. It's a self-contained, mobile fortress. In today's exclusive tour, we'll explore its breathtaking exterior, luxurious living room with a fireplace, private gym, gourmet kitchen, elegant dining room, master suite, spa-inspired bathroom, futuristic cockpit, and the incredible technology powering this engineering masterpiece. Let's begin the adventure. The Toyota Terra Dominator doesn't just arrive, it commands attention. Standing tall with its stealth black armored body, muscular proportions, and aggressive styling, it looks more like a futuristic military explorer than a traditional motorhome. At the front, a massive steel bull bar, powerful electric winch, recovery hooks, and brilliant LED matrix lights prepare it for the toughest expeditions. The roof carries satellite communication systems, rugged storage compartments, and expedition equipment for extended off-grid travel. Its most remarkable feature is the incredible 20-wheel configuration. With 4 steering wheels leading every turn and 6 powerful rear wheels on each side, the Terra Dominator delivers exceptional stability, traction, and confidence across deserts, rocky mountains, deep mud, heavy snow, and the most extreme terrain on Earth. As the reinforced entrance door quietly opens, you're welcomed into a living space that feels more like a luxury penthouse than an expedition vehicle. Premium leather sofas, handcrafted wood finishes, and panoramic smart glass windows create an atmosphere of elegance while offering breathtaking views of the surrounding landscape. At the heart of the room is a beautiful, modern electric fireplace, filling the cabin with a warm and relaxing glow after a long day of adventure. Above it, a hidden Ultra HD cinema display rises at the touch of a button, transforming the lounge into a private home theater. Intelligent ambient lighting, whisper-quiet climate control, and premium surround sound complete a space designed for absolute comfort. Whether you're overlooking a frozen glacier or watching the sunset in the desert, adventure never means sacrificing your health. That's why the Terra Dominator features a fully equipped private fitness studio designed for life on the road. Inside, you'll find a smart folding treadmill, adjustable digital dumbbells, resistance training equipment, and mirrored walls that create a spacious atmosphere. Special shock-absorbing flooring provides stability during workouts, while advanced ventilation keeps the cabin fresh. Whether you're parked beside a mountain lake or deep in the wilderness, your fitness routine never has to stop. Step into a kitchen where professional performance meets luxury design. Elegant marble countertops stretch across the cabin, surrounded by premium cabinetry crafted to remain secure even during challenging off-road journeys. A full-size residential refrigerator, induction cooktop, convection oven, smart microwave, touchless faucet, deep stainless steel sink, dishwasher, and built-in espresso machine provide everything needed to prepare gourmet meals anywhere on Earth. Whether it's a quick breakfast before sunrise or a fine dinner under the stars, this kitchen makes every meal unforgettable. Next to the kitchen is an elegant dining room designed for unforgettable moments. A handcrafted solid wood dining table expands to comfortably seat family and guests, while luxurious upholstered chairs lock securely into place during travel. Above, a crystal-inspired chandelier creates a warm atmosphere, and oversized panoramic windows frame every landscape like a living masterpiece. Every meal becomes an unforgettable fine dining experience, no matter how remote your destination may be. At the rear of the Terra Dominator lies a master suite designed to deliver the comfort of a luxury hotel after a day of extreme adventure. A king-size bed with a premium memory foam mattress takes center stage, surrounded by elegant wood finishes, soft ambient lighting, and panoramic windows that fill the room with natural light. Above the bed, a large panoramic skylight lets you fall asleep beneath a sky full of stars, while motorized blackout blinds provide complete privacy whenever needed. Spacious wardrobes, wireless charging stations, a hidden entertainment display, and climate-controlled comfort transform this bedroom into a peaceful retreat, no matter where the journey leads. Luxury continues inside the spa-inspired bathroom, where modern design meets everyday practicality. A spacious walk-in rain shower, illuminated mirrors, premium vanity, and elegant matte black fixtures create the atmosphere of a high-end wellness retreat. A high-efficiency flushing toilet, washer-dryer combination, advanced water filtration, and intelligent gray water recycling system allow extended off-grid living with exceptional comfort. Even thousands of miles from civilization, every shower feels like a luxury spa experience. Step into the command center of the Terra Dominator, where advanced technology surrounds the driver from every direction. Premium captain seats provide exceptional comfort, while a wide panoramic digital dashboard displays navigation, vehicle information, camera views, and expedition data in stunning clarity. A multi-function steering wheel, intelligent driving assistance, multiple camera systems, satellite navigation, and precision control systems give the driver complete confidence on every journey. Whether crossing deserts, climbing mountain trails, or navigating remote wilderness, every command feels effortless. Hidden beneath its rugged exterior is an advanced hybrid powertrain engineered for extraordinary performance. Massive torque, intelligent all-wheel power distribution, and independent drive systems work together to move this giant confidently across almost any terrain. Behind the cockpit is a futuristic engineering room inspired by aerospace technology. Digital control panels, illuminated switches, organized equipment racks, battery management systems, and advanced monitoring displays place every essential function at your fingertips. Large lithium battery banks, roof-mounted solar panels, satellite communication, and generous storage capacity help support long off-grid expeditions with confidence. A machine this extraordinary belongs in a class of its own. With an estimated starting price of around 4.8 million US dollars, every Terra Dominator is custom-built for its owner, making each vehicle as unique as the adventures it was created to conquer. And there you have it, the Toyota Terra Dominator, a 20-wheeled mobile fortress where extreme engineering meets uncompromising luxury. From its massive off-road stance and incredible wheel configuration to its elegant living spaces, private gym, gourmet kitchen, master suite, and futuristic cockpit. This machine is designed to turn the entire world into your backyard. Share your dream destination in the comments. We would love to know where this ultimate expedition machine would take you. And if you enjoyed this journey into one of the most extraordinary motorhomes ever imagined, hit that like button, subscribe to Elite Auto Home, and turn on notifications so you don't miss our next incredible vehicle reveal.